Welcome back to another exciting journey into the future of cinema. Today on Davil AI Matrix, we redefine filmmaking forever. Creating consistent characters and long video clips has always been the biggest nightmare for every aspiring AI filmmaker until today. We are diving deep into a revolutionary workflow using Higgsfield AI, Google's Nano Banana Pro, and the incredible WAN 2.6. Let us start with the foundation of any great movie, which is character creation, using the powerful Nano Banana Pro tool. This Google technology allows us to generate stunning 4K images while maintaining absolute facial consistency across different angles and various lighting. Meet Elena, our dedicated nurse character, rendered with lifelike skin textures and a uniform that stays perfect in every single shot. Next, we introduce James, the strong lifeguard designed with high dynamic range details that look incredible even in bright sunlight scenes. Notice how the lighting interacts with their skin and clothing. The level of realism achieved here is simply unmatched in the industry. With our two main actors ready and consistent, we have solved the hardest part of pre-production. Now let us move forward. Enter WAN 2.6, the game-changing video model that transforms our static images into dynamic, moving cinematic masterpieces instantly. Unlike older models limited to short bursts, WAN allows us to generate clips up to 15 seconds long without losing quality. It also supports complex multi-shot sequences, allowing the camera to pan, zoom, and track subjects just like a real movie camera. The most impressive feature is the automatic lip-syncing capability, matching character mouth movements perfectly to any dialogue track you upload. Beyond just lips, the entire environment reacts naturally. Wind blows hair and shadows shift realistically as the characters move through space. Combining the consistency of Nano Banana Pro with the motion of WAN create a powerhouse workflow for modern digital storytelling. Now we begin the actual production process by creating a storyboard. We outline the narrative arc for Elena and James clearly. We visualize the hospital setting for Elena and the sunny beach environment for James to ensure the lighting matches the mood. Using our consistent character models, we generate key reference frames that will serve as the anchor points for our video generation. We decide on camera angles now, choosing between close-ups for emotional dialogue and wide shots to establish the surrounding environment context. With our storyboard locked and reference images ready, it is time to breathe life into these static frames using WAN. We upload the image of Nurse Elena into the interface. The system analyzes the geometry and prepares it for complex animation. We adjust the motion parameters, setting the camera to slowly dolly forward while Elena turns her head to address the viewer. The rendering process begins. Within moments, we see our static image transform into a fluid 15-second video clip with high fidelity. Now for James on the beach. We want him running, so we set high motion values to capture the dynamic energy. We apply the dialogue audio track. Watch how the AI analyzes the phonemes and adjusts James's mouth shape in real time. Checking the output, the background waves move naturally, and James's expression changes subtly to match the emotional tone of his voice. We generate a multi-shot sequence where the camera cuts from a wide angle to a close-up without losing character identity. We repeat this process for every scene in our storyboard until we have a folder full of high-quality raw video footage. We bring all our generated clips into Filmora for post-production. This is where the disparate clips become a cohesive movie. We arrange the clips on the timeline, trimming the edges to ensure the pacing feels tight and keeps the audience engaged. Adding smooth transitions between the hospital scenes and the beach scenes helps to connect the parallel storylines of our two characters. We apply a cinematic color grade, cooling down the hospital tones and warming up the beach scenes for better visual contrast. Sound design is crucial. We layer hospital beeps and ocean waves underneath the dialogue to create a truly immersive audio experience. A final review ensures that the lip sync is perfect and that there are no visual glitches before we export the file. The result is a professional quality film created entirely with AI tools, showcasing consistent characters and fluid motion that rivals traditional animation. From Nano Banana Pro's characters to WAN's video generation and Filmora's editing, you now possess the power to create your own movies. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Davil AI Matrix for more cutting-edge AI filmmaking guides.